This Torah class is brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.
Okay, everyone, your favorite time of the week. I have just a few ha'aras over here. Mainly number one. Perek Lamed Hey, Pasuk Chaf Aleph. Perek Lamed Hey, Pasuk Chaf Aleph. So the pasuk says, "Vayavayu kolish asher nisa'ay libay, v'chayil asher nadva ruchay aisai, heviu es trumas Hashem l'mlechas ha'omayir u'l'chol avoidasai u'l'vigdei ha'kodesh." It says all the generous people came. Pasuk Chaf Beis. Kol nediv leiv, all the generous people, you know what they did? They brought chach, vanezem, v'tabas, v'chumaz, bracelets, ornaments that they put b'makayim sanua, earrings, rings. So these people who brought those items, they were nediv leiv. What about people who had techelas argaman toila ashani sheish ve'izim? By those guys, the pasuk says, "V'chal ish ashar nimtza itai techelas ve'argaman toila ashani." The people who brought the blue wool, the purple wool, the crimson wool, they were not called nediv leiv. They were just nimtza itai. It was found with them. Sounds like we're not giving them the title of generosity. Moreover, we're saying it would just happen to be in their possession. What about the people who brought silver and copper? They're called kol meirim, terumas, anyone who lifted up. Why don't we call the people who brought blue wool and purple wool lifting up? Because it's light, so you don't have to lift it up. What's that expression, lifting up, by the silver, the gold, the copper? And then, when it comes to the shitim wood, it's back to v'chal asher nimtza itai, like the tchelas and the argaman. So it's very interesting why certain items, the people who gave them are given certain names. When it comes to jewelry, you're called a nediv leiv, maybe because those were very valuable. So you get the terminology nediv leiv. You have blue wool, purple wool. That we don't say anything nice about it. We just said it was found in your house. You had some extra stuff lying around. But silver and gold, you're not a nediv leiv. You're not just found, but we give you a new name, meirim trumas kesef. Why do different items get a different adjective? Okay. We pointed out last week that all the items of the Mishkan were anointed with Shemen HaMishcha, and they were anointed with the letter Chaf, Yevanis, which is a Hebrew Nun, indicating there's some connection between the Nun and the Mishkan. Well, what struck me is we have Chamishim Lulais on one side and Chamishim Lulais on the other side. What exactly are the significance of these numbers of Lulais, whether it represents the Shar Nun, or a total of 100. We know we have 100 Adonim. They correspond to the 100 Amains that we say every day. What exactly is the significance of Chamishim Lula'is? Okay, one more. In Perek Lamed Vav, Pasuk Dalid. There we have Vayavayu kol hachachamim ha'isim eis kol hamlachas ish ish mi malachtai. What exactly is that those words ish ish coming to teach me? Okay, I want to share with you just one thought on Pikudei.
You've just experienced another Torah class brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.